don't care, man. I still fucking smacked that ass. Gave you five. Obviously pissed you off enough to come in that close this fucking late in the morning. Zapping the shit out of me. See? You owe me lunch, and I want you to tell my grandma the truth. And that I was right. See? Got the trees down there. Roof. Direct energy drone. Just pumping me. I live in DellWebb, Ceres Creek, Summerfeild, Florida. My name's Kyle Klug. I'm 40 years old. I've lost almost 60 pounds. My teeth are falling out. People think I'm schizophrenic. I'm just trying to keep my grandma safe and get the truth to other people that don't know what the fuck's going on. And for you people to leave me alone. Sorry, the quality of the video is shitty, but this is my 7th phone since Christmas because of all this. Gang stalking, fucking harassment, you name it. Martin, Brown, King, fucking Mike the tree butcher, planting shit in my house, garage, car. When I was in the fucking mental hospital, took my grandma to the fucking dope house. And I'm out here looking like a jackass. All my grandma's neighbors hate me for I don't even know what we've been told. And whatever. And I'm out here fighting every fucking day, every night. Being hunted and chased by these people. Put myself in the middle of direct fucking energy, microwave, fucking magnet terrorism. So I can try to get these videos to where they need to get to. Alright. So I got a couple different leads of who, how, what, and when. Names, phone numbers, tons of evidence. Killing me slowly every day. Can I get some help from the federal government? Or is there no help for a guy like me and my grandma? Are we just supposed to sit in here and keep getting zapped? Murdered? You guys come to my house, put all that fucking orange orange peel down. Traverse City, Michigan. The VOD. Like I said, I apologize, Howie. Yeah, he come in close tonight. My head's are ringing. Fucking teeth are fucking hurting. Barely stand up. Every night this is done to me. Every night. Why is Thomas Lynch from whatever broadcast, why the fuck is his fucking phone number in my call log? Why are all the relays in my truck fucked and they're all from Tycho, place he worked, ran? Why has my whole truck been sabotaged with people in fucking Illinois, Chicago, Michigan, that's where I'm from. Traverse City. Space fucking Atlas. Atlas space fucking whatever. So, who's gonna have the balls to fucking come over? Talk. Don't call. Come fuck over.